Bluetail automatically organizes uploaded files and documents via the registry logbook and category folders located on the left side of the app. Any item may be easily viewed by clicking on either the aircraft registry to view every item for the aircraft, or by clicking on the specific logbook or category to see files and documents contained therein. When viewing documents, the default view is a large visual grid format, as shown by the applicable icon located in the upper right corner of the app. Documents may also be displayed as a list view by clicking on the related icon located to the right of the grid icon. A user may also use a filter to sort and view documents by clicking on the related icon, also located in the upper right corner of the app. Please note that the search filter is a specific document feature which can be used to refine the search results of a particular logbook or category listing. For example, by date, ATA codes, tags, or keywords. Multiple filters may be applied to take a broad range of documents and refine them into a narrower selection, allowing the user to retrieve the most relevant search results based on the criteria they've selected. To apply the filter, simply select all of the desired filter items within the vertical box and then click the blue filter button located on the bottom of the box as shown. The filter results will then be displayed in grid or list format in the app window. Users also have the option of searching for a specific word, words, or term by entering them either in the search box included in the search filter or the search box located in the top left corner of the Bluetail app. Once a search term is typed into either box, all relevant documents or files that contain such words will be automatically displayed in the center of the Bluetail app as shown.